Hello and welcome to Digit. In this video, we will be unboxing the Boat WCD 2A wall charger. On the front of the box, we have an image of the wall charger itself. The brand name and model number are up top. On the left hand side, we have some of the salient features, which include 10 watt of charging power, a smart IC protection, and some warranty information as well, but we recommend that you consult the Amazon product page for all the relevant information regarding the warranty first. At the bottom, we have a Made in India symbol. The left hand side and right hand side simply have some boat branding. There's nothing on the top. The bottom has some of the social media handles of the brand, and on the back, we have some more features and specifications. They have elaborated on the Smart IC feature, which provides protection against surges, short circuits, overcurrent, and overheating. It has a maximum efficiency with auto detect charging. Again, we have some warranty information, 10 watts of rapid charging. It has corrosion resistant pins. The design is lightweight and compact and has a max output of 5 volts at 2 amperes. Underneath that, we have some manufacturing information, and lastly, over here, we have the customer care information. That's about it in terms of what is on the outside of the package, so let's get into it now. On the inside, we get some reading material. First up is a thank you note from the brand. Next, we have a little brochure in which they have displayed the other products that Boat manufactures, like other cables, USB cables, and speakers and headphones. We also have a card that helps you register and activate the warranty. Once again, please consult the Amazon product page for all the relevant information regarding the warranty first. Coming to the product itself, we can clearly see that it has a glossy white finish all across it. The boat branding is on one of the flat sides. There's nothing on the other side. In terms of the plug point, it is of the standard 2-pin Indian type. Over here, we can also see the BIS certification symbol along with other logos and symbols that basically certify this product to be safe for indoor and household use. On the other side, we have a USB Type A interface in which the charging cable can be put. So let's see that in action now. So this was the unboxing of the Boat WCD 2A wall charger. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.